Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to place an order on Meijer. Open the website Meijer.com, then click on the profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Sign In. Click on Sign In. Now, enter your email address or Perks phone number. Then click on Next. After that, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, browse for the items you wish to buy. You could also use the search bar to search for the item you will buy. Once you've navigated an item, you can add it on your cart by clicking on the plus icon beside the item you want to buy. Then repeat the previous step to add more items. Now to check out the items, click on the cart icon at the top right corner of the page. Then the list of items will appear. To proceed, click on View Cart. Review the items. If everything looks good, click on Begin Checkout. In this video, my order would be for pickup. So here, I will be selecting the date and time of pickup. Otherwise, enter the delivery information if it's for delivery. Then click on Continue. Now, enter all the required contact information. Once entered, read the terms and conditions. Then click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms and conditions. Also, you could enter a vehicle description if your order is for pickup. Hence, it's just optional. After that, click on Continue. Lastly, select a payment method, or link your card if you haven't added any payment method yet. Then click on Continue. And now review your order. If everything looks good, click on Place Order. That's how you place an order on Meijer. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.